Welcome to this week's spelling video. So let's see what we got here. Make sure that you are ready with your scissors, nice round tip. Make sure you've got a nice sharp pencil to do your writing with. A glue stick with glue in it, not dried, that would be nice. And a spelling bag. So once you cut out your words, you make sure that you put them in your bag for later use. And your spelling book. And don't forget your spelling words. All right, so let's get to cutting out our spelling words. You'll notice that this week we're doing triple R blends. Okay, we have some other blends that we've had in the past. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. But if you have, they're similar to these. We got SC, which was one that was in an earlier sort. We have ST, we have SP. But this time, what we're going to do is we're going to add an R in there. So it's not sk, it's skr, it's not st, it's stir, and it's not sp, it's spur, and that's what we're going to do today. All right, let's cut off this top here. Make sure that we've got that ready because we're doing our triple R blends. And then what I like to do is I like to cut off this right here. This is our exemplars. Make sure you have that because if we need to, or well, we will need to write them down, but that makes it easier to spread them out on our paper. All right. So let's put those up there. I like to cut these into 3 different columns, and then I can just cut. All right. And that gives me 3 cuts at a time. Now, you can have your spelling words already cut out if you would like, or you can cut them out at the same time I do. If you're not as fast as I am, then go ahead and pause the video as you need to. All right. And then we're going to take these words, and I want you to spread them all out, all around your spelling book. Now you'll notice we have a blank one here. So hold on to that one because I may have you write something in or not. Nah, we won't today. So you can go ahead and discard that. You can take that and get rid of that if you would like. So just put these on the outside. That way when I say a word, you find it, you get it, you write it after you have said it. All right? So I'm going to cut that off right there just with a little tear. And let's put our glue on like that. And we'll put that up at the top. 37 Triple R blends. Skr, stir, and spur. Okay? Everybody got that? Good. Now, let's write these down. All right, SCR, we'll put that one right here, SCR, underline, STR, underline, SPR, underline. All right, now that we've got that, we're going to take these, and I'm going to cut these up, and then I'm going to put these in my zip-top bag for tomorrow night's sorts. All right? Make sure you do that also. So let's look and see what we got here. We got SCR, STR, and SPR. And so what I'm going to do is I got a couple words. I want to contrast these. Contrast means to look for differences. Okay? When we contrast something, we look for differences between them. So let's start out with the SCR words. And we're going to do something like scrape. There's scrape. Scream. Let's find scream. And, of course, we've got to go with scratch. All right. And so these are 3 different words that have the SCR in them. And you need to make sure you listen for that R. Scratch. It's not sketch. It's scratch. Listen for that R. scrape, scream. Make sure you say these after I say them. Say it. Scratch, scrape, scream. Exactly. And that's different than words like Scott, which is S-C-O-T-T, or scare, which is S-C-A-R-E, or scat, which is S-C-A-T. Okay? So let's write these three words down. Let's start out with scratch, S-C-R-A-T-C-H, S-C-R-A-T-C-H, scratch. Say it. Say the letters. Say the word. Scrape, S-C-R-A-P-E, scrape. Say it. And then scream, S-C-R-E-A-M, scream. All right. Now listen for those R's. Scr, not Scott. It's scratch, scrape, scream. Now, I hope you recognize that there's a vowel after each one of these. So if there's S-C-R, then a vowel. S-C-R, vowel. S-C-R, vowel. Let's see if that happens the same thing on S-T-R. All right? So let's look at this S-T-R. Let's pick out a couple words. Let's go with strong. Let's see, what can I see around here? Oh, straight. I saw straight. Where was straight? I thought we had straight in here. I don't see a straight. Do you? I'm scared straight. Oh, there it is. Right in front of me. Straight. And I saw another one here just a second ago. String. S-T-R-O, S-T-R-A, S-T-R-I. See? Vowels. Strong, straight, string. Remember, every time I say it, you need to say it. And these are a little bit different than words like spot, or not spot, that's weird. Words like stop, S-T-O-P, you got to get that R in there, strong. Or something like step, step, S-T-E-P. And this is S-T-R-A-I, straight. Get that R in there. And then another word that has an S-T in it is star, S-T-A-R. But we're looking for S-T-R-I-N-G, string, S-T-R. These are S-T-R words. So let's write it. Say them and write them with me. Strong. Let's spell it. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Okay? Let's do straight. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight. Get the A-I in there. All right? And then string. S-T-R-I-N-G. String. Strong, straight, string. S-T-R. Get those vowels after that R in there. Okay? But listen for that R. All right. Let's do another one here. Let's do our last one, which is S-P-R. And the words I'm going to look for that one are words like spring, which is, where did I see that? Oh, there it is. Spring. And then we'll look for spray, which is right here. And another one, because we want our plants to sprout. Okay? So in the spring, we spray our water on the plants so they will sprout. Hey, that was kind of a nice little sentence there. Cool. So S-P-R-I-N-G. All right? So, but you got to listen. They're a little bit different than words like spot, speech, and spit, because there's no R in those ones. And what we've got is spring, spray, sprout. Okay, so let's write them. Here we go. Spring, S-P-R-I-N-G. Got it? Okay, remember, if you need to pause these, do it. Spray, S-P-R-A-Y. Spray. Sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. Sprout. Sprout. Let's underline each one of these. S-C-R, S-T-R, and S-P-R. Got it? Good. So don't forget that they're blends. We're blending. Spur. It's a blend. It blends the T-R, stir. It blends the C and the R. S-C-R, skr. And S-P-R, spur. Those are blends. They go together. They are fantastic. Got it? So now what I need you to do is I actually need you to finish all the rest of the words that are around here. When you do that, I need you to say the word. I need you to spell it out loud as you write it, and then say the word again. But make sure you pay attention that there are vowels after each one of these, and I need you to listen for the blend as you say it. Got it? All right. Life is good. Remember, we contrasted some earlier SC words with the ones we're doing today, SCR. We did the same thing with ST words. We contrasted them with the STR. We also did the SP words, and we contrasted them with the words we're doing today, SPR. All right, so get these finished. Okay, good luck.